Hey there, it's E Squared Photography. I'm Erin. And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun. Are you like us when you first started out? All you wanted to see was behind the scenes or go along next to some other photographer to see what really goes on at a session. Well, we are here today to give you exactly that. And don't forget that every Monday morning, we come out with a new YouTube video just for you. And for the best photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications of future videos. We truly hope that you take away something from this behind the scenes today because we know how valuable it really can be. And make sure to stick around until the end because we have something special just for you. Okay, so like I said, the number one thing that we wanted to know right away when we started photography was what goes on at a session? What do other photographers do? What does it even look like? How do they talk to their clients and all of that kind of stuff? So we are here today to take you behind the scenes of a family of 4. So it is a mom and dad with 2 little boys that are kind of crazy, but very fun. And so we really hope that you learn something and take this away. We are doing this session down an ATV trail. The light is great there. We love it. So let's take a look.
Go ahead.
Can you walk and look here and smile? Look here
Big.
and smile. Where's your smile?
Woo!
Wow, those are good smiles.
Can you, okay. Awesome. Can you go back? Can we do it again? You guys did really, oh my gosh. Seriously.
Okay, ready? Should I show you where to stand?
This.
Okay, stand one of you right here and one of you right here. Hold hands again. Are you ready? All right, Emily's ready for you.
Okay, ready boys? Go ahead. Good. Can you smile at each other? Giggle at each other. Giggle, 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 giggle. Giggle, 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 you crazy little boy. You crazy boy, Lane.
Okay.
All right.
Now one of them on each side.
And walking?
Yeah.
Yeah,
As
one
a
on
whole
each
thing.
side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do...
Yeah. They're so
Jay,
cute.
this time
I
you're gonna
literally
be on
can't
that
handle
side.
it.
Lane, this time you're going to be on mom's side. Okay, and you're going to hold hands, everybody.
Okay, and can you guys actually step back quite a bit? Like right there's good. Okay.
And then, Jackie, it probably won't matter much, but when you walk, just remember to cross like that. Yep.
Did you get your dress on Amazon? I love it. It's so $7.99. Oh, it's so flattering. It's such a good price. Okay, ready? Ready? Go ahead, start walking, and big smiles here, boys, right here. Lane, big smile here.
Wow, look at that
Good.
smile.
Now can you guys smile up at mom and dad? Mom and dad look at each other.
Oh, good job.
Now Jay and Lane look back here. Jay and Lane look back here.
Good job. Good list.
Good. Okay, now just to change it up, let's put them in the middle. So scooch back and let's put them in the middle.
So one way to really just vary up the posing and make it simple for yourself is to put the kids in the middle, put the kids on the outside, put the kids every other, whatever it might be. You never know what you're going to end up liking in the end. So that's something we like to just throw in there. Another thing just to mention, really random, but before every session, we make sure we've memorized everybody's name in the family, so then we can call them by their first name rather than trying to say or forgetting and having to ask again. So we always are really careful with
Lane,
knowing the names ahead of time.
Lane, are you always this good?
They,
Said, are you always this good?
I want to see them when every time I see them, they're so well behaved.
Yeah.
So I want to see them naughty. No, yes. Yeah, you can have Elsie because she's been a handful. You can have Elsie and Graham.
Jackie, you grab your dress off to the side as you walk, I think. Okay? So everybody look here and smile.
Okay, ready? Go ahead, start walking.
Good smiles. Look at Emily. Keep looking
Right.
at her. Good job. Now look at mom and dad.
Good.
Now boys, can you look at each other? Oh, good job.
So everything Erin is saying, I could be saying too. So if you were a one-person photography business, which majority of you probably are, you can be saying all those things as well. But our biggest thing is just keep it as simple as you can when it comes to posing. And it really helps. So one thing you notice, Erin told Jackie, the mom, to hold her dress out. Anytime we have a long flowy dress, we have the mom or whoever it might be pull it out and hold it as they walk.
Perfect. That was good. Yeah, I'm trying to think. I also want to do, well, I want to do one on the shoulders. Let's actually do sitting last.
Okay. We'll do that. Okay.
Let's put, should we put them both on shoulders?
Either that or maybe Jackie holds him
and go on. Do you want to go on Dad's shoulders? Yeah? Well, I was going to give you Lane, but you guys match more. Okay, look here while you're up there. Oh my goodness. Can you rest your hands down?
On your knees. He's like pulling your
Oh, look here. Look here. Oh, right here. Cute. I love it. Do you want to do that too in a little bit?
Are you
yeah.
On Jay's shoulders?
Here, you know what? Can Mom put you on hers? Yes. She can? Let's do it. He is so cute. Ready? Oh, Mom is strong.
Do you want me to help you fix your hair? I might have to fix my hair.
Yeah.
I'll hold him up a little bit and you pull your hair.
Oh, let's get a cute picture of just Mom and Lane now. Oh, look at that. Cute. Oh, that's adorable.
Okay, so we hope that helped. Now, comment below and let us know what was your biggest takeaway or maybe a question that you might have regarding what you saw in the behind the scenes. Now, if you want to view this entire session plus a lot of other family sessions, we have something that you might be interested in. It is our behind the scenes at family sessions course that we have. And inside this course, you get a look at 6 different family sessions. And then in addition to that, we are breaking down each session. What's going well, what's not going well, why we're doing this, why we're doing that, all sorts of things. And then we also take you behind the scenes as we edit some of the images from the session. And then there's also more bonus videos included in that as well. And if you want to find out more about that, go ahead and look in the description below. But for now, what we also have for you is a free family session planning and posing guide that you can also get in the description below. So make sure to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video today, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend so we know to make more videos just like this one. And if you don't already, make sure to follow us on Instagram at e2photography for more photography tips and tricks and just to see us behind the scenes at sessions. And we will see you next week.